Wow. It's plugged in. And it feels it's not clicking. Burnt. Oh wow. Wow. I even had it upgraded. This is the Shark. I cut the bottom. There was a bar right here. And then I opened this up. See? This just happened. Wow. Yeah, I cut slits into the filter, but it has a pre-screen and another filter. So this is a pre-screen. And it slides out. I love this. This is nice. You can change this out, but I mean, I use it a lot, so I just wanted the vacuum power, really. So, dang. Wow. I think it's out. Bye-bye. Rest in peace. I might have to check, open it up, see if I could solder back a new switch. Done it before, but like, it might be the whole board because of that. No problem. Subscribe for more.